Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Get Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix the Steam write disk error which is happening on the Steam right now and how you can fix this up. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about we have to go over here in the Steam over here, and right now we have to go over here at the top left. You have to click on the Steam. Now we just need to go over here in the settings. Now from here what we need to do is we just need to keep scrolling down and navigate to the downloads, and now from here you have to scroll down and there is an option called clear download cache. Just click on this one and that is going to download the cache and restart the Steam, and we need to log in back to the Steam once again. So what you need to do is just go over here for the confirm, so that what happens is the Steam will be completely logged out, and afterwards you have to sign in back with your credentials on the Steam and you have to check. That's what you have to try as the first step. So if the first step is not working, we have to move to the next one. Just go over here in the control, over here in the search, and search for the control panel, and you have to click on this one. Right now go over here in the system and security. We have to go over here in the Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here go to the allow and apport feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Right now we need to keep scrolling down and navigate to the Steam. So over here as you can see, the Steam is added. So right now you can see both the private and public both are put a check on both the boxes. So sometimes we have to do two things. One, if we don't find the Steam, we need to add the Steam. So if the Steam is already there and if you're having through the error, then what you need to do is select this one and we need to click on the change setting, go over here in the Steam, click on the remove so that it will be removed from here. Right now we need to add it back. So to do this, just click over here in the allow another app, go to the browse, navigate to this PC, go over here in the local list C, go to the program file x86, scroll down and navigate to the Steam. Now from here scroll down and you can see the Steam over here. So right now you will be able to find the Steam application. So what we need to do is we just need to add the Steam client over here. What we need to do is not this one. What we need to do is we just need to add the Steam original file over here, the .exe. Steam client should be added and go for done. Right now it is added. So the .exe is added, which means not this one. Sorry, there is one mistake. Just go to allow another app, go to the browse. Once again, go to Steam. Now from here, select the Steam, go over here, open, and we need to add it. Right now the Steam is added. And you have to make sure one thing, you have to put a check on both the boxes, private and public. Once it is done, close this and you have to go back to the Steam and you have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble, what we need to do is we just need to go over here in the Steam, find the Steam over here in the desktop. So right click on the Steam, we'll go over here and go to the show more options, go to the properties, go over here in the compatibility, and as you can see, these two boxes, which is disable the full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator, is not selected. So click on disable the full screen optimization and click on to run this program as an administrator, go for apply, go for OK. Once it is done, we just need to check with the Steam. Still, if you're having the trouble, we have one more step. So just go over here in the Steam at the top left. Now from here, go to the settings. Now from here, go to the storage. And from here, click on this particular three-dot icon. There is an option called a repair library. So just click on this one. So once it is clicked over here, which is going to fix everything over here, so it will be taking a little bit of time. So what happens is this will be cross-checking the library, and if any files are corrupted and all these things kind of issues will be fixed by this particular from their end, from the Steam end. So once it is done, just close everything and go back, you have to check. So still, if you're having the trouble, what we need to do is we just need to go over here. What we need to do is go to the file explorer, go over here into this PC. Now expand this, go over here in the local disk C, go over here into program file x86, go to the Steam. Now what we need to do is we just need to keep scrolling down and we need to navigate to the Steam. So we need to go over here in the Steam, right click, and we have to go to show more options, go to the properties. Now from here, what we need to do is after this, what we need to go over here in the properties, and there, as you can see, there are two options. So if read only is selected, what we need to do is we just need to uncheck this. If it is selected like this, you have to uncheck this, and once afterwards just go to the advanced. Now from here what we need to do is there is few more things that you wanted to make is all about just close this, go over here in the security, and right now make sure the full control is accessed to the Steam. So if you find anything deny option here, which means we have to change it. If deny option is means we need to give the access to the Steam. So based on the deny, that is why we're ending up having the issue. So in order to give the control, just go over here in the advanced. Right now we need to select the Steam. If the Steam is here, just select the Steam. You can right click on this and you can give or go over here, and you need to give the control as well. So you can add also, we can give the control based on if the Steam is here, you can give the control. But right now it is control is given for all these kind of things. So if the Steam is there, just select the Steam and go for the add, and you can edit and make the control. That's what you have to do. So once you give it enough control to the Steam, and once the Steam is read hidden is unchecked, and most probably the issue regarding the Steam error completely will be fixed. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon next video. Have a nice day. Bye.